Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not just delicious but also incredibly important for our health: foods that can help reverse kidney disease. If you or someone you know is dealing with kidney issues, these dietary tips might be just what you need. Remember, though, always consult your healthcare professional before making any significant dietary changes. Let's start off with a true superfood for kidney health. 1. Kidney beans. Kidney beans, true to their name, are a fantastic source of plant-based protein and fiber. Their nutrient content makes them a kidney-friendly addition to your meals. Protein is a critical nutrient for various bodily functions, including tissue repair and immune system support. For individuals with kidney disease, it's important to manage protein intake, and kidney beans provide a protein source that's less taxing on the kidneys compared to animal-based proteins. Kidney beans are also high in dietary fiber, which has multiple advantages for kidney health. Fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels and may contribute to better weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight and controlling blood sugar are crucial for supporting kidney function. In addition, kidney beans are relatively low in potassium compared to some other protein sources. High levels of potassium can be problematic for people with kidney issues, as the kidneys may have trouble filtering out excess potassium from the bloodstream. Opting for foods lower in potassium, like kidney beans, can help manage potassium levels. You can make kidney beans with whole grain burrito by filling a whole grain tortilla with cooked brown rice, kidney beans, and sautéed bell peppers and onions. Then you add a sprinkle of low-fat cheese and a small amount of salsa. Fold into a burrito and enjoy a wholesome and satisfying meal. 2. Cauliflower. Let's talk about incorporating plant-based goodness. Cauliflower can be used as a substitute for high-potassium foods in various recipes. For example, you can use cauliflower rice instead of regular rice, or make mashed cauliflower instead of mashed potatoes to reduce potassium intake. As we mentioned earlier, people with kidney disease often need to monitor their potassium intake, as high levels of potassium can be harmful to the kidneys. Cauliflower is relatively low in potassium, making it a suitable choice for those looking to manage their potassium levels. Phosphorus is another mineral that needs to be controlled in the diet of individuals with kidney disease. High phosphorus levels can contribute to kidney damage. Cauliflower is naturally low in phosphorus, making it a kidney-friendly option. In addition, cauliflower contains compounds called glucosinolates that have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds may help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, which can benefit kidney health. Cauliflower is an incredibly versatile vegetable that can be enjoyed in various ways. You can make cauliflower soup by cooking cauliflower with onions, garlic, and vegetable broth until tender. Then you blend it until smooth to create a creamy cauliflower soup. Enjoy the flavorful soup with some fresh herbs or a splash of olive oil. 3. Red bell peppers. It's incredible how a simple veggie can pack such a punch in supporting our kidneys. So, why are red bell peppers so fantastic for kidney health? First off, red bell peppers are like little antioxidant powerhouses. They're bursting with vitamin C and a range of phytochemicals that can help fight off harmful free radicals. This antioxidant activity is crucial for maintaining the health of our kidneys and preventing damage. But that's not all. Red bell peppers come with an extra special bonus. They're armed with compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties. Reducing inflammation is key for preventing kidney damage and keeping our kidneys functioning at their best. And here's something that'll make your taste buds happy. Red bell peppers are not just versatile in the kitchen, they're also low in potassium, making them a smart choice for folks who need to keep an eye on their potassium levels. Incorporating these vibrant veggies into your meals can add a burst of color and flavor without the worry. Hydration is essential, right? Well, red bell peppers can lend a hand here too. With their high water content, they contribute to your hydration goals, which is crucial for overall kidney health. Staying well hydrated helps our kidneys do their job effectively. Red bell peppers aren't just a delicious addition to your dishes, they're a superstar when it comes to supporting your kidneys. The antioxidants, anti-inflammatory benefits, low potassium content, and hydration support they offer make them a must-have in your kidney-friendly arsenal. 4. Berries. So, what's the buzz about berries and kidney health? First things first, berries, including blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress. This is important for overall health and can help protect the kidneys from damage caused by oxidative stress. And here's where it gets exciting. Berries are like a natural anti-inflammatory remedy. Chronic inflammation can be tough on our kidneys, but the compounds in berries work to keep inflammation in check, contributing to better kidney health. In addition, berries are loaded with dietary fiber. This fiber isn't just great for digestion, it's a key player in keeping blood sugar levels steady. And for those managing kidney disease, balanced blood sugar is a major goal. Now let's move on to explore the benefits of cranberries. Cranberries are well known for their contribution to urinary tract health. They contain substances that may help in preventing the adherence of specific bacteria to the walls of the urinary system. This natural defense mechanism may lower the likelihood of urinary tract infections, which can be crucial for people with renal problems. Cranberries aren't just for eating, they can also be enjoyed as juice. Their high water content contributes to your hydration goals. Staying hydrated is essential for kidney function and overall health. Berries aren't just sweet treats, they're a gift to your kidneys. Their antioxidant power, low potassium levels, anti-inflammatory benefits, hydration support, and fiber-packed goodness make them a superstar in the world of kidney-friendly foods. 5. Spinach. Moving on to a leafy green superstar, spinach. Spinach is jam-packed with essential nutrients. It's an excellent source of vitamins A and K, as well as folate. These nutrients play a significant role in supporting overall kidney health and bodily functions. Spinach is also rich in antioxidants, including vitamin C and beta-carotene. Antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and potentially protecting the kidneys from damage. But that is not all. Spinach is a source of non-heme iron, which is essential for maintaining healthy hemoglobin levels. Hemoglobin transports oxygen to cells and tissues, including the kidneys, ensuring their proper function. Spinach can be enjoyed in various ways: raw in salads, sautéed as a side dish, blended into smoothies, and added to soups and stews. Its versatility makes it easy to incorporate into a kidney-friendly diet. 6. Apples. When we think of apples, we often associate them with being a delicious and portable snack. But did you know that apples are also a wonderful choice for promoting kidney health? Let's dig into the details. Apples are composed mostly of water, making them a hydrating choice for maintaining kidney function. Plus, they're loaded with essential nutrients like vitamin C and dietary fiber that play a significant role in overall health. But the kidney benefits don't stop there. Apples contain antioxidants, including quercetin, which has anti-inflammatory properties that can help protect your kidneys from oxidative stress. Plus, apples are low in sodium and potassium, making them an ideal choice for those watching their kidney health. Their natural sweetness can satisfy your cravings without adding extra potassium to your diet. Now, here's an interesting fact. Much of the fiber and antioxidants in apples are found in their skin. So, whenever possible, opt for whole apples or enjoy them with their skin to maximize their kidney-friendly benefits. Whether you enjoy them as a convenient snack, a crunchy addition to salads, or even blended into a refreshing drink, apples are an easy and tasty way to support your kidneys. 7. Olive oil. Olive oil, extracted from ripe olives, is a key component of the Mediterranean diet, a diet renowned for its numerous health benefits. But how exactly does it support kidney health? First and foremost, olive oil is rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. These fats can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases, which in turn benefits your kidneys. But there's more to the story. Olive oil contains natural compounds called polyphenols, which act as antioxidants. These antioxidants have been shown to combat inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. Studies suggest that the anti-inflammatory properties of olive oil may have a positive impact on kidney function. By reducing inflammation, olive oil could potentially help in preventing kidney damage. And here's the beauty of it. Olive oil is incredibly versatile. Drizzle it over salads, use it as a cooking oil, or even dip your whole grain bread into it. Every drop adds a touch of flavor and health benefits to your meals. For those concerned about sodium and potassium intake, olive oil is a fantastic option. It's naturally free from both, making it a suitable choice for people with kidney-related dietary restrictions. 8. Pineapples. Pineapples, a symbol of sunshine and sweetness, are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that can benefit your kidneys. The enzyme bromelain found in pineapples has been linked to potential benefits for kidney health. This enzyme may have anti-inflammatory and diuretic properties, helping to flush out toxins. Speaking of toxins, pineapples are also known to be naturally low in sodium. For those aiming to keep their blood pressure in check and support kidney function, this tropical fruit can be a tasty addition. When enjoying pineapples, don't forget to make the most of their fiber-rich core. Including the core in your culinary creations can add an extra dose of dietary fiber to your diet. Now, here's a fun way to include pineapples in your kidney-friendly journey. Blend them into smoothies or enjoy them as a refreshing snack. You'll not only satisfy your taste buds but also give your kidneys a boost. 9. Skinless chicken. Skinless chicken, often celebrated for its lean protein content, can be a fantastic addition to your meals, especially if you're looking to support your kidney health. Protein is essential for maintaining and repairing tissues, and skinless chicken is a lean and high-quality source of protein. It's gentle on your kidneys, making it an excellent choice for those with kidney concerns. But that's not all. Skinless chicken also offers a low phosphorus content. For individuals with kidney issues, managing phosphorus levels is important, and skinless chicken can help keep them in check. Skinless chicken is not only a protein powerhouse but also a source of essential nutrients like B vitamins, which play a role in kidney function and overall well-being. And the versatility of skinless chicken is a true plus. Whether you're grilling, baking, or sautéing it, the possibilities are endless, ensuring you never get bored with your kidney-conscious meals. Here's a tip. If you're grilling skinless chicken, marinating it in herbs, spices, or citrus juices not only enhances its flavor but also adds an extra layer of antioxidant goodness. 10. Red grapes. Red grapes are a rich source of antioxidants, particularly flavonoids and resveratrol. These antioxidants have been linked to potential kidney benefits, as they help combat oxidative stress and inflammation. But here's the exciting part. Resveratrol, a compound found in red grapes, may have specific properties that could support blood vessel health. Healthy blood vessels mean better blood flow to the kidneys, promoting their optimal function. Plus, red grapes are naturally water-rich, aiding in keeping you hydrated. Proper hydration is essential for kidney function, helping them flush out toxins efficiently. Whether you're snacking on them whole, adding them to salads, or freezing them for a refreshing treat, red grapes are an easy way to incorporate kidney-supporting nutrients into your daily routine. Here you are 10 incredible foods that can contribute to your kidney health journey. Remember, small changes in your diet can have a big impact on your overall well-being. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.